It wasn't she has to play varsity today. We're on our way to our tennis match. She has to play varsity today.
It's going to be the band already. Hey, it's Nikki Bruce. Thanks for joining me today. Happy birthday. Remember him? He was Danny, little Danny the redhead. On the Partridge Family. He has 50 birthday calls. I remember that show when I was little. Happy birthday, dear
Alright, so I'm going to my school to get my schedule, and just gonna sit up really far because I'm little, but that's my day. I really don't want to go to school, but screw this, it's gonna happen. I just got my schedule. This year's gonna suck. Do you guys want to see what my school looks like? It's pretty horrible.
You I knew. And there's something in your words that lingers even when you're gone. Oh, I've dreamt.